Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix a non-working microphone on the Samsung Galaxy A52s. If the microphone on your phone isn't working, I'll show you a few things you can try to fix it. First, clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool like a small brush. Once you've removed all the dirt, check if the microphone starts working. Next, test the mic in the voice recorder app to see if the problem is with the app rather than the hardware. Open the pre-installed voice recorder app, allow permissions, and start recording to check if your voice is picked up. Another step is to boot the phone into safe mode to check for third-party app interference. To enter safe mode, expand the control panel, tap the power icon, hold the power off icon, and select safe mode. This restarts your phone with all third-party apps disabled, so if the mic works, a third-party app is the issue. To exit safe mode, simply restart the phone normally. Last thing to try is updating the software, as a new update might fix the issue. Open Settings, go to Software Update, tap Download and Install, and if an update is available, download and install it. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching, I hope it helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.